ass, you know what time it was.
Your ass ain't going nowhere.
My ass gotta go somewhere.
Where?
I gotta pick up Willie and Eddie. Unless they got a better ride.
Maybe they have a ride time you get there.
No profanity here, okay? You just keep it clean, because he's fixing to be YouTubed right now. Only in Florida can you see somebody roll. This is how you paint a truck in Florida. This is a Florida Gator fan. He's got a roller in his hand. That's right. He's rolling his truck. Typical redneck. Let's get a close-up of this, as he does the detail work.
That's the fucking work, truck. You ain't like I give a fuck.
You never cease to amaze me, Craig.